Tired of flat, uninspiring digital environments? Today, we'll unlock the secret to crafting photorealistic scenes with Leonardo AI. The magic begins with a precise prompt. Think about the core elements of your scene: the time of day, the weather, and the dominant features for this serene mountain landscape. We're using terms like photorealistic, golden hour lighting, wispy fog, and majestic snow-capped peaks. Beyond the prompt, leverage Leonardo AI's parameters crucially. Select the photographic or realistic style. Employ negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements, like cartoonish or stylized. Experiment with aspect ratios that best suit your vision: a cinematic widescreen for sweeping vistas, or a portrait for focused detail. Notice the difference. Precise prompting and thoughtful parameter selection make the rendered image now boasts incredibly realistic textures, from the rough bark of ancient trees to the subtle reflections on a still lake. This technique isn't limited to nature. For urban environments, focus on terms like cinematic lighting, wet asphalt, neon signs, and intricate building facades. Specify the mood, like late evening rush hour for a bustling feel. Whether you're building immersive game worlds, stunning concept art, or captivating visual effects, Leonardo AI, guided by these detailed techniques, empowers you to create truly believable and breathtaking virtual environments. Start experimenting, push your prompts, and watch your digital worlds come alive with unparalleled realism. Your immersive journey begins now.